All right, so downloading and installing Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. So first, I'm going to go to the App Store, which for me, I've got them grouped. So mine is up alphabetically, and I'm going to open my App Store. I'm going to click on search, and I'm just going to search. I'm going to type Teams. And when I do, Microsoft Teams is going to show. I'm going to click Microsoft Teams. Now, it may not be the first one, so be careful. We're looking for the Teams logo. Now, I have downloaded in the past, so all I need to do is re-download. If you've never downloaded, it will say Get, and you'll click Get. So I'm going to re-download, and it'll just take a few moments for it to load onto my phone. Once I'm done here, I'm just going to open the app. Okay. So let's click open, and it's going to take me into Teams. Now, these are teams that I am part of, and it's drawing this information from my desktop computer because remember, I've got accounts all across Microsoft. So these are teams that I am part of that I have used on my phone before. If you don't see the one that you want, you're going to click sign in with another account, and you'll enter that email address and click sign in and follow whichever prompts you need to follow. I'm just going to add one right now. I'm going to click on my main one, which was V8-H Wenzler. And it's just going to take a moment. And it's asking, would I like to receive notifications on my phone? I'm going to click allow. And then, of course, I want it to access my microphone, so I'm going to click OK. And then I just get this very quick overview of using Teams. I'm going to click next, next, and then got it. And then I have a privacy option, and I'm going to click got it. And now I am in Microsoft Teams. Now it's a little different than my desktop. In order to see different teams or add additional accounts, I need to click my profile picture here. If I want to access different features of Teams, those are at the bottom. Chat, I can access my chats here. I can see all the teams I'm part of here. I can see my Outlook calendar here. I'm going to allow Bluetooth. I can also add from my mobile app here. I can use voice calling. And if I click on more, I have other apps that my organization has allowed. So I'm going to add a different account. I'm going to click Add Account, and I'm going to add my csn.edu. And again, I have the option to sign in with other accounts. I'm just going to click Next until I get to Got It. And now I'm in CSN. I can see my chats. I can see my teams. And I'm able to also, up in the upper right corner, here are my settings. If I click on settings, it's going to show me which teams are active. I'm going to click back into my profile initials here, and I'm going to set up my notifications. So if I click on notifications, I'm able to set notifications for my mobile device. This is separate than my desktop. So I will control my notifications under notifications. Click that in the upper left corner. I can set an outgoing status message to let people know if I'm available or not. And I can click on settings, and these are settings for the mobile app. So I can look at notifications for this profile, this particular account. This is also where I can add additional accounts, and I can sign out and sign in with a different one. So hopefully that was helpful in getting this mobile app on your phone. Play around with it. It won't hurt the app. I promise. I promise. So play around, see what's out there on the mobile app. And if you're joining a meeting, the next meeting, try joining on your phone. It's very simple. So give that a shot. Thank you so much again for joining today. As promised, my contact information is up on the screen. If you do find yourself in need of support, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help in whatever way you need. Have a fantastic rest of your day. And again, thank you.
Cheers.